Did you know that you can use conditional formatting in Excel to help highlight trends? In this table, I've got sales growth rates by month and by product, and I'm going to use conditional formatting to highlight when that growth rate has accelerated compared to the previous month. To do that, I'm going to select the cells starting from February because that's the first month where I'm going to be looking at comparables. I'm going to go with conditional formatting, create a new rule, and I'm going to use the formula to determine which cells to format. So since my starting point is cell B3, what I'm going to do is set the formula so I'm looking at whether B3 is greater than B2. So it's comparing this value to this value. And the references are going to be relative, so they're going to apply in the same format to all the cells that I've highlighted. So for the formatting, I'm going to set the format so it is a dark green fill color, and the font color is going to be white, just to make it easy to identify when the growth rates have, in fact, accelerated. So now we can see in February, 11% was more than 4%. In March, 17 was more than 11. 20 was more than 17 in April. But then in May, it declined, and so it did not apply the highlighting there. In June, it accelerated again, so it was highlighted. If we look in column C for orange juice, we can see from January to February, went from 5% to 4%, so it did not highlight. Went up in March to 6%, so it was highlighted. So by doing this, we can easily visualize our data set to identify trends before even doing any sort of calculations. With conditional formatting, it makes it really easy to visualize the data right within your spreadsheet.